What is going on, guys? It's your boy Mike Lowy Trading Academy. And today we were done by 9 o'clock again with an amazing call out. This had to be the cleanest call out of the year. The other day was very hard to call a trade out because it just opened and took off. But if you can tell here, killed it today. We could go over to our watch list. We'll go over our watch list per usual. We have Tesla below 425 to 415. Obviously, we never broke below. Oh, we did. What was that? Below 425 to 415. Okay, I was a little off on Tesla. So, but like this chop right there, you should probably just sell. And then you see the volume coming in. You know, you got to know also a little bit. If you watch my videos, you would know, right? You would know that this is a support. And since we didn't break that, then we're not going to 415. So that's why I didn't touch Tesla today. It wasn't clean. It was choppy price action. I mean, those wicks are crazy. So shouldn't have taken anything on Tesla. Nvidia 189.5 reject or 185 bounce, which means or below. Perfectly went below 185 to 183 and continued on to the 181s. So with that being said, Nvidia was fire. QQQ was my top watch. That was a $5 trade that was damn near guaranteed for how clean it happened, right? So QQQ broke below that level, the 625. So I called it out, loading QQQ puts at 842. All right. And then I entered QQQ puts around 845, which is over here. Here, on the 2 minute. This is when I entered, right? So I entered one here and then I added again like here as soon as we got this confirmation, which was at 848. So 847. But adding here, which is right there, and then took it straight down. I trimmed says safe trim on QQQ right here on this candle close, just in case. I mean, this was still good. But from that 622, that was our trim, right? Just as soon as that candle broke and closed, and then that was our take profit not too long afterwards. So that's like, I mean, this is textbook setup, right? I got the 8 on, the 21 I have on, and then the 200 as well. So I mean, really, you could just follow the 8 on a downtrend like that, and this could have been, your exit. But I feel like, this hold wouldn't have been worth it to wait when we exited right there, anyways. So this just gives it time. This just gives your contract time to lose value, right? So as soon as this candle happened, if you were still in, if you did hold it, this would be like your indicator to sell. Like this candle, I'd be like, okay, I think we want to push to the upside. And then we even get like a little tweezer bottom here. And then you could see that the bullish volume just took over. So then we reclaimed a key level and, we could go back up to around 621. It doesn't matter what we do. We could reject farther. Our main goal is to catch a small part of the overall trade, which is what we did. We actually caught the biggest part of the trade, right? We caught all of that. And so, I mean, that was the whole move. If you're looking for more, you're a greedy little motherfucker. I'll tell you that. So just take what you get. That was what we planned, and that's exactly what happened. And it was an amazing Tuesday, and done for the day. So, if you guys have questions, comments, concerns, like, comment, share, sub, all those good things. Every day. Every day, baby. Let's go. We also caught a little bit on SPY, but I had sold already. I had sold 693 to 690. So, took that little dub. And that's it, y'all. So if you want to learn how to do this, I teach and I love it. I recommend one-on-ones, especially if you join the Discord and you're a little lost. I'm willing to work with you, bro. So, or girl.